Hello, it's Joe Vaccaro from Inequality. We thought we would take some time today, meet with some of our builders to talk about the value of labeling in their businesses, but also what it means to their customers. In visiting with Arista Homes in Oakville, I think what really showed was a commitment to innovation, thinking about the consumer, walking them through the process. They are really focused on making sure the consumer understands all the key features of that home, how it operates, and how it's going to impact their comfort and their energy use options. Our friends at Farsight, they built their first net zero home in Beaton, Ontario, a bit of a more rural environment, and they were really focused on trying new innovations, new technologies, and really proud of the report card that gets produced at the end as a quality assurance piece that they can share with their future home buyers. Both builders are committed to innovation, they're committed to energy labeling, they're committed to consumer education, and they're really ideally focused on ensuring consumers get what they pay for. And they understand that third-party validation through a labeling program provides that consumer with the quality and the assurance that they delivered what they promised.
We're at our Oak Point community at Dundas and 8th Line. This is a multi-phase community. We're in phase 2. We're doing Energy Star across the entire community for every single home. Today's home buyer is looking for transparency. With labeling, it gives them that confidence that they're making the right decision for the long term. Anyone can make a claim about performance, but with third-party verification, it turns a promise into proof. We wanted to find a way to reach buyers in a different way and try and find what they're most interested in. And over time, sustainability, high-performance living has been a critical part of that conversation. Right from day one, the A team walks them through the entire process with confidence. At point of sale, we explain to them an Energy Star home, all the way through to our decor, where they get to choose their selections, as well through our final day walkthrough when we explain the entire mechanical system and the systems within the house.
Mechanicals we have, it's a high velocity system, which works in tandem with the combi boiler. So when I'm asking a homeowner to maintain, the maintenance is simply on these units is make sure that your furnace filter is changed. For the boiler itself, in terms of maintenance, there is nothing. These units are commissioned by a third-party company, and then the only actual other maintenance would be the ERV. It's just a matter of opening and changing a filter. The value of the insulation is continuous insulation. So we do top to bottom wraps, so you get a continuous R20 from top to bottom. What you can't really see is behind each and every joist pocket. We go through each corner, each crevice, make sure they're all spray foamed, sealed tight. A lot of people think that Energy Star is just the appliances, but it's not just that. It's the entire envelope and what we do to achieve it.
Our homes need to perform as well as they look. Labeling ensures a quality product. It tells people that we go above and beyond.
Today we're here in Farsight's first net zero home. We looked at building this in such a way that we didn't depart too far from the standard built home we already deliver to our customers. A quality home to Farsight is a home that's built using the tried, true, and tested methodology of the past, blended equally with innovation of the future. The equipment in this high-performance home doesn't look much different than in any other home, except this equipment will provide a greater efficiency, which the homeowner will recognize through lower utility bills and better indoor air quality. This home is integrated into a net metering program where the home delivers the excess power into the grid and then can use excess power out of the grid in times when it's not generating its own energy. Today is a proud moment for Farsight. Although we've labeled numerous Energy Star homes, today we attach our first net zero home label to this house. This full net zero home comes with what we like to call a report card. And we're able to provide documentation to the homeowner that proves its performance. Labeling homes was not a need to solve a problem to Farsight. Labeling homes was just getting the recognition for the work that we were already putting forward in our standard product. Third-party verification holds us accountable. The quality is not just there built into every home, it's proven.
I want to thank our friends at Arista and Farsight for their time and for sharing some of their insights. At Inequality, we are here to be your partners in this journey, helping you navigate innovation, energy efficiency, and to help you build the best quality homes you can for your consumers and for generations to come.